the Office of the Ombudsman has junked the administrative charges filed against him. This is in connection with the alleged illegal transfer of some 41 billion pesos to the Budget Department. But the case was only dismissed because the maximum penalty of removal from public office can no longer be applied to him. Duque is still facing graft charges in connection with the budget transfer, which he said were baseless. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, di ba? Yung kay Francisco, former Secretary, Health Secretary Francisco Duque III. And sinasabi nga nila dito, kanina I was taking note, yung sinasabi ng government prosecutors, ito daw mga transfer na ginawa, allegedly, no, ni former Health Secretary Duque through PS, no, Procurement Service DBM, ay wala din daw silang mga binigay na liquidations, yung mga previous transfer, which is requirement also pag ginagawa ito. Tapos, hindi rin ito under a memorandum of agreement. Ang sinasabi during his previous interview sa Secretary Duque, ang sinasabi niya kasi emergency naman, COVID-19 pandemic, ganyan-ganyan. Pero apparently, meron dun sa batas natin na kapag kami emergency, diretso ka na kaagad sa supplier. Ang ginawa kasi dito nila, allegedly, no, nila Secretary Duque, dumaan pa sila dito nga sa procurement service, which is in fact nagkaroon pa ng service fee, which is yung pinapakita ko sa iyo kanina na more than 1 billion pesos yun. Na malaking debt din yun sa DOH. Dun sa batas natin, kapag may emergency, pwede ka nang dumiretso sa supplier. You don't need to go through an agency to do this. Especially nga, nagkaroon tayo ng COVID-19 pandemic. So, yun yung hinahabol sa kanya ngayon ng batas. Junk yung administrative charges kay Duque kasi hindi naman na siya, hindi naman na siya government employee kasi ang pinaka-maximum penalty doon, hindi na siya po pwedeng maging government employee again.
Parang mutin academic na lang.
Oo, yun lang. Pero other than that, he is still facing graft charges kasama nitong si Christopher Lau.
Yeah.
So, yun yung mga abangan natin ng mga development no, dito sa kaso ni Secretary Duque. So on the other hand sa kanya, sinasabi niya baseless ito at saka nasasaktan siya kasi sabi niya, 'di ba, yung trabaho na ginawa niya during the pandemic, wala nang tulugan, tapos ito pa yung
Actually, since PGMA pa lang, madami ng issue to kinakarap si Secretary Duque.